So hi everyone and welcome in this new video. As you can see, it's evening and dark outside. I have just finished to watch the movie of the Queen. Really good movie. I advise to watch it. Really inspiring, and it made me thinking if I am thinking big enough, because on the movie you see many times that they will think big. Also, if they have a good situation, a new contract, they will think at the next big thing. So I was here thinking if I am thinking big enough, and the answer probably is not, because okay, I'm thinking big, different compared to my friends, the people that I know, but I am not thinking big enough in respect the people that are successful. So tomorrow I will start to wake up at 6 a.m. every day without excuses, and create a better routine to get more done in a day, so I can get more in less time, and achieve my goals in less time. But my advice to you for this video is to think bigger, think more, and do and watch things that can expand your mind, sorry. Because I have seen some TV series, but it's like comedy or fiction, or police, but it's nothing inspiring. And watching some type of movie, for example this of the Queen, it really inspires you and show you what is possible. So again, my advice to you is to think bigger, and nothing. See you in the next video.